So today we're going to talk about how you can use YouTube for your business. What's up guys, my name is Ryan Weber and I'm here to help you with your video and marketing in your business. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when we post new videos. So YouTube, is it a tool that you could use for your business? Of course it is. So the main reason I like YouTube for business is the searchability. The SEO, search engine optimization you can get out of YouTube for videos is by far greater, in my opinion, than Google. Google actually owns YouTube. YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world, second to Google. So in videos, we know it's starting to get more popular, more searchable, and more content is being created around it, but more people are more likely to search for a video. And so when they're trying to find something out, a lot of people are more interested in watching a video rather than reading a blog post. And this has changed over the past, 5-10 years, where it used to be you read the blog post and you didn't watch the video. So the SEO or the search engine optimization that you can be surrounding your video topics about are those DIYers, the people that are trying to do it themselves. So they're trying to learn a specific thing about your industry. So get super specific. So if you own a business, start looking into as narrow as you possibly can for what your personnel or what your clients are looking for. Think about a lot of the how-tos, how to do something is what a lot of people are typing into YouTube. And so if you can create those videos on YouTube to answer the questions that your clients are typing in, how to do something, you are gonna start popping up #1, which is then gonna increase your credibility and grow your business. Another style of video you can use for YouTube is demonstration. So a lot of people are nervous to hire somebody if they don't know what it's gonna be like to work with them. So you can demonstrate what the process is of working with you, and you can show exactly what it is step by step to know what this looks like when you are working with me. So the how-tos, the demonstrations, the FAQs, they work phenomenal on YouTube when you're using it for business. Another reason I like using YouTube and how you can use it for your business is since you are creating this content, it gives you other avenues of content to promote with. So you have your social media, you have these videos, you can take snippets from these videos, you can take your thumbnails and you can post it on your other social media. And all that's gonna do is help you remain top of mind. You can also take your YouTube videos and post those to your social media platforms or through email marketing, but it just allows you to remain top of mind with clients, potential clients, former clients, future clients, all of those people that you are trying to have remember you actually exist. And lastly, the most important thing, honestly, of YouTube is the power of the YouTube machine, really. It's evergreen content. So if you create something that's really popular, you have a video that takes off, you get thousands and thousands of views, hey, you might even get millions of views, it's gonna run over and over and over again. So you're gonna get views while you sleep. You're gonna have that content being searched, being researched, and you're gonna continue popping up in those Google search terms as people are typing in over and over again. So since YouTube is such a powerful search engine, you can continue to be ranked #1 in specific search terms if you're creating that high quality content. If you can stay concise and specific and create specific content around specific questions and answer those in a manner that people want to hear, you're going to continue popping up #1, and that's great. This can be 2, 3, 4, even 10 years your videos continuing to pop up as #1, which then paints you as the expert. So when people are searching for what it is that you do, you are the first person that they think of. Even if you're a hyper-local business, say you're in just a specific geographic region and you need to stay small and in a geographic region, the bigger your reach can get, the more popular you can get because you're answering other people's questions, the more it's gonna help your business. It's gonna allow you to stand out, it's gonna allow you to be seen as the expert, and it's gonna allow you to continue being the authority in whatever it is that you do. So ultimately, yes, use YouTube for your business. It's my #1 platform that I suggest every business get into first, even before Facebook, even before Instagram, even before LinkedIn, before all of those other things. I think YouTube is the most powerful tool that you can use to amplify your business. So once again, guys, my name is Ryan Weber, and I'm here to help you guys with your video marketing. Hit subscribe if you have not, and I will see you guys in the next video. I know. I'm nervous. What am I gonna say? So once again, God! I absolutely love using YouTube for my business. The end. Video's over.